Manish. Now we are going to see the 10th question from exercise 1.3. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of the human forehead and her corresponding height. Based on this data, a student finds a relationship between the height and the forehead length as y is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constants. See, this table as given. From this table, we have to find out the 4 subdivisions. First one, check if this relation is a function. See, this relation is a function. Yes, x and y values are given. Here this is a domain and this y is a codomain. See children, for each values in the domain has a unique image in the codomain. So directly we can say this given as a function from the table itself. Yeah, here from the table. From the given table, each elements, that means the x values, each elements in domain, each element in domain has unique image in a codomain. Unique image in codomain, that is in a y. Therefore, given relation is a function. The given relation is a function. Let's see the second subdivision. Find a and b. How to find that a and b? With the help of this table, we can find out what is a and b. Okay children. See, I am going to use these. When x is equal to 35, y value is 56. And when x is equal to 45, y value is 65. I am going to use these relationships on the given y is equal to ax plus b equation. Let's see. Second subdivision. We have to find out the x, a and b values. Here a comma b value is required. From the table, when x is equal to 35, y value is 56. In the table that has given 35, 56 and then 45, 65. Then when x is equal to 45, y value is equal to 65. Okay, I am going to use these values in the equation. What equation? Y is equal to ax plus b. Here I am going to use it. Before I am using a and b values are only required, I am going to rewrite it. Ax plus b is equal to y. Yes. For these x and y values, how this will become? A into x. First substituting this 35. Yes, here x and y values are known value. A is only unknown. Therefore, 35 a plus b is equal to 56. Let it be a first equation. Then, in the place of x replacing as 45a plus b, which is equal to where y value is 65. Let it be a second equation by eliminating method. Now reducing this, solving this equations. Minus, minus, minus. Subtracting now. Let's see children. Plus b minus b, its value is 0, so cancelling those two terms. Now 35 minus 45. 35 minus 45 is, what is the value? It is minus 10a. This is equal to here 65 minus 56, which is minus 9. See here minus minus cancelling now. A is only required. Therefore, a is equal to 9 by 10. Okay. Which implies a is equal to, in a decimal form, 0.9. Here is the required a value 0.9. And what is required? B value is also required. In order to find the B value, substituting, now A is equal to 0.9 in the second equation. In any one of the equation, here I have considered the second equation. Yes, in the place of A, 45, A, which means 45 into A, 45 into 0.9 plus B, which is equal to 65. Okay, in the place of A, replacing it as 0.9. Now 45 into 0.9. Yeah, see, 45 into 0.9, students, 5 nines are 45. First multiplying this 45 by a 9. 5 nines are 45, 5. So 4 carrying. 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. So 40, 405. There is one decimal part. So after a one digit introducing a decimal point. Therefore now 40.5 plus B is equal to 65. Then what is required? B value is only required. Therefore B is equal to 65 minus 40.5. See, this is normal numbers. So here is decimal numbers. So 0.0. Now this has a decimal, here also a decimal. Subtracting now. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So 4, here is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 4 is, here is 2. There is decimal point, so decimal point. So getting B is equal to 24.5. What is required? B value, B is equal to 24.5. See, A is equal to 0.9 and B is equal to 24.5. Now the third subdivision, find the height of a woman whose forehead length is 40 centimeter. Which means X is 40 centimeter. We have to find out the Y value. Yes, X is 40 centimeter and Y value is required. Let us considering the given relation Y is equal to AX plus B. Then, now we know the A and B values. Therefore, Y is equal to A value is 0.9 into X plus B is equal to 24.5. Now we have this equation. In this equation, I am going to substitute the known value and finding the unknown value. Let it be an third equation. Here Y is only required. Therefore, Y is equal to 0.9 into X is, here is 40 plus 24.5. Here Y is equal to, first 9 into 14, 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. There is one 0, so introducing 0. Then here is one decimal point after a one digit, so here decimal point. So 36. Since it is a 0, neglecting. Plus 24.5. Now this is equal to, here decimal part is 0.5, yes 0.5. Integral part here is 36, 24. 36 plus 24 which is equal to 60. Therefore 60.5. The required Y value now is 60.5. That is 60.5 inches. Fourth one, find the length of a forehead of a woman if her height is 53.3 inches. Height value as given, which means here Y value as given, length of the forehead of a woman as required. So X is required. So in this problem 53.3 inches, Y value is 53.3. With that help you have to find out what is X value. Yes, for that now considering that third equation, Y is equal to 0.9 into X plus 24.5. Here what is required? X is only required. That is rewriting 0.9 into X plus 24.5 which is equal to, what is Y in this subdivision? 53.3. So 53.3. Therefore now 0.9 into X which is equal to, shifting now this term, 53.3 minus 24.5. Now subtracting 3 minus 5, it's not possible. 2. Here is 13. 13 minus 5 which is 8. Okay, now here is excuse me, 2 minus 4, it's not possible. Here is 4, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, decimal point. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now getting 0.9 into x is equal to 28.8. X is equal to 28.8. Shifting this 0.9 to the next side. This is in the multiple form. Therefore, divided by 0.9. Now to convert the decimal number into a normal number, multiplying numerator and denominator by a 10, because there is only one decimal part. This is equal to 288. 0. There is one decimal part, so introducing decimal point. Since it is a 0, neglecting. Divided by, here is 0.9 into 10, therefore that is 90. There is one decimal point, so after a one digit introducing decimal point, since it is a 0, neglecting. Now getting here is 288 divided by 9. Now 1 9 is 9, 3 9s are 27, here carrying 1, 2 9s are 18. Therefore, required x is equal to 32. Okay, this x is only a required one. And this x is unit is centimeters. This is the required x value, which is in a centimeters. Thank you, Kanmanis.